How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make your abs show more in pictures. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So tip number one, deplete your glycogen storages. This is very easy to do, and you just have to lower your carbs. Within a few days, your glycogen storage will be depleted and you will look a lot more shredded, you guys, and your abs will start to show more. Tip number two, you will never see your abs if your waist is too big. If your waist is 40 inches, no matter what you do, your abs will never show. You have to slowly diet and eliminate the fat in your belly. Once you do this, your abs will start to pop, you guys. Tip number three is proper lighting. Lighting is absolutely huge in getting your abs to show. I recommend standing over a bright light in a dim room. We all know that rooms in our house that has the best lighting. Simply stand below the lighting and your abs will really pop. A great example, you guys, is I can show you my abs right now. So my abs are doing okay. I am bulking up. I'm 188 pounds in the morning. So you can kind of see my abs. They're not too bad. Now, that's in good lighting. Let's come over here a little bit. The lighting isn't as good. It might still be good. We'll see. Now, look at my abs. They're not as good, you guys, as opposed to in here. So, again, different lightings will affect your abs more profusely, if you will. The better the lighting, like this is perfect lighting, you guys. I got a ton of good lighting. It really helps to see the striations. Now, perfect lighting is key if you want to see your abs in pictures. If you got bad lighting, no matter how good your abs are, they're not really going to show as good if you have perfect lighting, you guys. So tip number four is watch your sodium levels. If you have been eating a ton of sodium because of eating fast food, I recommend lowering your sodium intake. This will make you appear a lot more shredded and your abs will pop more. Tip number five, with less sodium comes less salt. You ever eat a lot of fast food or really high sodium food and instantly you feel thirsty? With salt comes water. The more salt you eat, generally the more water you will drink. When this happens, you become what's known as soft. So to appear less soft, don't stop drinking water, just lower your sodium intake. By lowering your sodium intake, your water intake will drop a little bit as well, and you will appear more shredded. I still recommend drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day for most people. Our bodies are made up of mostly water, so make sure you are drinking your water daily, you guys. That's very important. By drinking enough water, you're gonna get your skin to look good, it's gonna glow, and you're gonna look a lot more shredded as opposed to if you didn't drink enough water. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.